Are your ATMs always out of service, frequently out of spare parts, and deal with slow service repairs? Having a hard time tracking the status of your ATM fleet? If so, GRGBanking's iService may be your one-stop solution. iService users are service providers who provide hardware maintenance for bank ATMs, VTMs, cash machines, retailer deposit machines, and subway gates. Service providers use the iService web platform to monitor and control processes. Engineers use the mobile app to record and update on-site service information. The mobile app supports both Android and iOS systems. When there is a customer equipment failure, they send a service request to their service provider. A new ticket is then created in iService. The call center would dispatch the ticket to the respective field engineer. The engineer's mobile phone app will then receive a notification where they can see the new ticket. The call center can then track the engineer's status via map tracking, and the ticket will automatically start the SLA timer. The engineer arrives on site to start working. When a replacement is necessary, the engineer will apply for a spare part from the warehouse via the mobile app. The warehouse manager will scan the respective spare part in the app to record its serial number for outbound service. The engineer then completes the replacement part process on the ATM. They will take a picture and upload it in the system. The branch staff will then sign off on the service ticket. Signed tickets are then sent to the customer and call center for further approval. The faulty part that was replaced is then sent to the workshop for repair. The iService system tracks the spare parts life cycle starting from part application to part repair and placement back inside the warehouse or scrapyard. iService can generate various reports such as service performance, personnel KPI, and logistics supply when needed. GRGBanking's iService has served hundreds of customers worldwide, managing over 20,000 machines that not only save costs but also improve service efficiency and quality. Please contact us for any inquiries.